Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use the Liquify tool in Photoshop to warp and reshape parts of an image. First, open your image in Photoshop. Important safety step. Right-click the image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This keeps the edit non-destructive. Now go to the top menu. Click Filter. Then click Liquify. The Liquify workspace opens. On the left, select the Forward Warp tool. This is the main tool used to push pixels. Adjust the brush size on the right. Use a large brush for smooth changes. Use a small brush for details. Now, gently click and drag to warp the image. Use slow, small movements for natural results. Why this matters? Subtle adjustments look realistic. Overdoing it looks fake. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.